Blake Lively is pushing back firmly against recent accusations involving her longtime friend, Taylor Swift, amid a contentious legal battle with It Ends With Us director and co-star, Justin Baldoni. On May 14th, Lively's attorney Mike Gottlieb issued a strong statement to E! News, dismissing claims made by Baldoni's legal team that Lively attempted to coerce Swift into publicly supporting her. "This is categorically false," Gottlieb said. "We unequivocally deny all of these so-called allegations, which are cowardly sourced to supposed anonymous sources and completely untethered from reality." Gottlieb further criticized Baldoni's legal approach, stating, "These attorneys love nothing more than shooting first, without any evidence, and with no care for the people they are harming." He added that Lively's team plans to file motions to hold the opposing attorneys accountable for their alleged misconduct. The controversy stems from a legal letter submitted by Baldoni's attorney Brian Friedman, in which it's alleged that Lively's legal team pressured Swift's representatives to release a statement of support, or risk having private text messages between Lively and Swift made public. Additionally, the letter claimed that Lively had asked Swift to delete their text exchanges. The escalating drama comes as both Lively and Baldoni are embroiled in dueling lawsuits. Lively has accused Baldoni of sexual harassment, while Baldoni has countersued for defamation and other claims. Meanwhile, Swift, who was reportedly subpoenaed by Baldoni's team, issued a rare statement via her spokesperson on May 9th, clarifying her lack of involvement in the film's production. Taylor Swift never set foot on the set of this movie, the rep told E! News. The spokesperson added that Swift's only connection to the project was the licensing of her song My Tears Ricochet, emphasizing that 19 other artists also contributed music. This document subpoena is designed to use Taylor Swift's name to draw public interest by creating tabloid clickbait instead of focusing on the facts of the case. Lively's attorney echoed that sentiment days later, telling E! News on May 12th, "This is a very serious legal matter, not Barnum and Bailey's circus. The defendants continue to publicly intimidate, bully, shame, and attack women's rights and reputations." Background of the legal dispute. The tension between Lively and Baldoni became public in December 2024, 4 months after the film adaptation of Colleen Hoover's It Ends With Us premiered. On December 20th, Lively filed a complaint with the California Civil Rights Department, alleging that Baldoni and his production company, Wayfarer Studios, launched a retaliatory smear campaign against her. The complaint, obtained by E! News, named Baldoni, Wayfarer's CEO Jamie Heath, co-founder Steve Sarowitz, publicist Jennifer Abel, and her firm RWA Communications, crisis specialist Melissa Nathan and her company TAG, contractor Jed Wallace, and Street Relations Inc. as defendants. According to Lively, the retaliation followed her raising concerns about inappropriate conduct on set. She claimed that she and other cast and crew members experienced invasive, unwelcome, unprofessional, and sexually inappropriate behavior from Baldoni and Heath. She also stated that the alleged smear campaign caused substantial harm to her career and well-being. The legal filing included serious accusations: sexual harassment, retaliation, breach of contract, emotional distress, negligence, and invasion of privacy, among others. Media fallout and responses. The next day, the New York Times published a report detailing the alleged campaign against Lively, citing messages between Baldoni's team that were included in her legal filing. The outlet also made court documents available to readers. Baldoni's attorney Brian Friedman swiftly issued a rebuttal, labeling Lively's accusations as shameful and categorically false. He accused her of attempting to salvage her reputation by deflecting blame onto others for the backlash she received during the film's press tour. "These claims are completely false, outrageous, and intentionally salacious, with an intent to publicly hurt and rehash a narrative in the media," Friedman said. He defended Wayfarer's decision to hire crisis management professionals, saying it was done before the movie's marketing campaign, and that no proactive media attacks were made against Lively. "What is pointedly missing from the cherry-picked correspondence," Friedman added, "is the evidence that there were no proactive measures taken, just internal scenario planning and standard PR strategy." As both sides continue to battle it out in court, the involvement of a global superstar like Swift has only intensified public interest. But for Lively, her legal team insists the matter is about accountability, not attention.